Right guys, this is a funny one today. I'm just gonna let you know it's my birthday tomorrow, and we're in the training room as you can tell, and Marius has got me a little present for my birthday. He's got me a card and he got me a little birthday cake. The colour's not mine though, that's not my colour scheme. Anyway, we're training and building the reality classroom training, is what I've been talking about. And though it's my birthday, I'm still working because I'm pressing on, because I want to get this thing done for you guys. This classroom, it's a big project what I've been doing, as you can see through the other videos I've been talking about. And the online training is coming up soon as well, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to be informing you when it's going to be ready. So anyway, I just want to let you know it's my birthday today. That big age, I'm not going to let you know what that is. You can work out for yourself, or you can do some digging and work it out. So it's just a short video, just let you know where I'm up to. Check out my progress. I'll send you some more videos soon. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to you. Bye for now.